Welcome back to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru. Today we are modeling exercise 29 in SOLIDWORKS. This is a spur gear featuring a 60 outer diameter internal step to bores and a central keyway. You can see here this spur gear. We will start by extruding the main cylindrical body and cutting the internal step using the section view dimensions, and then we will sketch a single gear tooth profile and use circular pattern tool to generate all 20 teeth perfectly. Let's open SOLIDWORKS and get started. So first we need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. Go to part and select new and then OK. You can select any plane like a front plane, top plane, right plane, and go to sketch. Go to sketch tab and select circles and create 3 circles at this point. Go to smart dimension and select this circle and make it 30 mm. This one is 50 and this is 60 and then select OK. Go to the sketch tab and take any reference line like center line and make it from midpoint. Go to line and select line. Go to smart dimension and make this dimension 2.4 and this is 1.2 and this is 6 between this distance is 3 and then select OK and then go to mirror entities, sorry, linear axis pattern, and go to circular axis pattern and entities to pattern. Select these entities and make it 20 instances and then select OK and go to select trim entities and trim to closest this and trim this also and close this and go to features tab and select extrude workspace, extrude it from mid plane and extrude it up to 20 and select OK. You can see here the teeth profile is ready and select this profile. Go to a sketch and create a 40.5 circle from origin. Go to smart dimension and make it 40.5 and select this radius and select convert entities and go to features tab and select extrude cut and cut it up to 5 You can see here. Then go to mirror entities, select mirror face or plane, then select front plane and adjust to mirror, select cut extrude and then say it OK. You can see here this profile is ready and color it from appearance tab and then OK. You can also apply material from material tab and then right click and select configure material Select edit material and then select here from steel anyone like cast alloy steel, cast carbon steel, and then apply and close. You can remove this color. You can also set here plain white to better preview, and that's where I have exercise 29 right now, and using circular pattern tool made replicating the gear teeth incredibly quick and adding the internal step bolts and finished it perfectly. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the gear tooth dimension or a keyway sketch. Thank you for watching. I am Guru and this is Guru Design Lab, and I will see you in the next exercise. Keep designing. Thank you guys.